Good afternoon. This is Attorney Catherine Henry. I am the founder of the Restore Freedom Initiative. Good afternoon. This is Attorney Catherine Henry, and I'm the founder of the Restore Freedom Initiative here in Michigan. Just trying to make sure that I'll be able to see comments as they come through today. Okay, I think I'll be able to see your comments. We'll try. Okay, so this will just be a quick video today about the errors. What happens if you are circulating the Restore Freedom petition and you notice as a circulator or even as a captain, there's a signature line that has some sort of error on it? Well, first of all, if the person is with you, if the signer is anywhere near you, or you're able to get a hold of them, relocate them so that they can sign again, the safest bet is to be able to take a pen and cross off from the signature box all the way across through the date of signing. If you do that, just one line will do, one line all the way across. That way, whatever is wrong with that won't affect anything else on the sheet. And then you can have them sign on the line below or on another sheet if that one's already full by the time you see the error. That would be the best thing to do. Okay, it looks like there's bad sound. What's that? Can you hear me okay? Okay, so I will try to speak a little bit louder. This is a computer that I haven't done these on before, so I'm not sure if that is impacting how this works. My Chromebook was really awesome about doing Facebook Live videos, so maybe I'll have to go back to that for the videos. So in the event that any of you did not hear what I just said about what happens if you notice an error on a signature line at all, anywhere on the signature line, if you are anywhere near the person who signed, or if you're able to get a hold of them to have them re-sign, the safest bet is to have you go ahead and take whatever signature line that they are on, go ahead and cross it off all the way from the signature box, all the way through to the date of signing box. Just go ahead and take one pen stroke to be able to go all the way through from this side to this side, cross it off, and have them sign on the very next available line. Or if that sheet has now become full, go ahead and have them sign on another sheet. That would be the best thing that you could do, just to be on the safe side that signature doesn't have to be thrown out for any reason. If you do not catch that mistake while they're still with you and you have no idea how to get a hold of them because all you have is the address that they've written down, that's okay. Go ahead and you can put a sticky note on the sheet with whatever error you think is happening, and then just put the line number. So if it was the person that signed on line number 3 here that had an issue, and maybe you think there's something wrong with the city or township, go ahead and put a sticky note that says line number 3, issue with city or township. Leave that sticky note on there as you turn it into your captain. Or captain, if you're the one noticing this, go ahead and leave that on there as you turn that into the distribution center. Those sticky notes make it to me, and I'm able to look through and figure out if it's something that we can overcome, or if there's some way I'm going to try to reach out myself to those particular voters and have them sign again, or what it is that we'll have to do with that particular signature. So just to be clear, Do not cross off any signatures. Do not make any, first of all, never make any markings anywhere on here. Just allow the voter to be the one to sign and print and fill their information in. If you're trying to correct anything, don't do that. If you think it needs corrections, you need to cross it off and have them re-sign on another line and fill out all the information on that line over again. But if they are gone and you notice something is wrong, do not touch anything about it. Don't try to change it yourself. Do not even cross it off at all. Put a sticky note on there, and I will look at it and see if it's something that we can still use the signature, or if we'll have to go ahead and cross it off, and if I'll have to try to get a hold of that voter, okay? So that's, in a nutshell, all that I need you to know about if you do notice that there's some sort of error on the petition sheets as you are collecting signatures, or as your captain if you're collecting signature sheets from your circulators. That's all that you need to know about that, okay? All right, if you guys do have any questions, if you do have any questions, go ahead and reach out to us and we'll be happy to answer those for you. You can submit those questions. Actually, if you go to the RestoreFreedomMI.com website, we have frequently asked questions there. I guarantee you 95% of the questions that people ask are actually on that frequently asked questions page already. If it's not, there's a button at the bottom for you to submit a question. That way you're not the only person that gets the answer. Everybody else will get the answer too, and we can keep that knowledge base growing for everyone. All right, thank you so much. I will actually start back in with another video talking about the 3 petitions here in just a moment. So if you want to stay tuned, go ahead and hang around and log back in or click back into the next video I'll be doing in just a moment. Thanks.